Mike Hughes here. I'm at US Gladius. I'm here with Susan, who has lots of knives to show us today. Susan, you want to tell us a little bit about what you're holding?
Sure. The one I'm holding is a collectible item. There's only 200 available. The serial numbers are all in Roman numerals, and the hands are different, so it's all natural wood. This one happens to be olive wood. We also have mahogany and sandalwood. And then this comes with a leather sheath. And our newest ones are this special one. We call it the 13.
Lucky 13.
XIII. And we have this in high polished, and we have it in this color right here.
Anodized and high polished.
Yes.
Okay.
And our other new items are our titanium dive knife. We call this the War Galley 13.
Number 9 or number 13?
I'm sorry, you are so correct. The War Galley 9.
I just remember the Beatles song, number 9. And then so it has polish.
And we also have the high polish.
And that one's the titanium one.
Yes.
And that one's like light as a feather, or light as 2 feathers.
Light as 2 feathers.
And that one's as light as 7 or 9 feathers. Maybe that's what the 9 is for. I don't know. Cool.
Thank you so much. And also the designer is here today if you'd like to get your
If they're at DEMA,
signed.
and if you're seeing this 18 years in the future, you can just go to usgladius.com.
www.usgladius.com.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you so much.